Hello, students. Now we will study the. We will discuss something about the Shakespearean sonnet. Students, Shakespearean sonnet is one of the best known sonnet forms. Along with the Petrarchan sonnet, it is the most popular to this day. It is sometimes referred to as Elizabethan or English, but since Shakespeare used to with so much success in his 154 sonnets published after his death, it has become synonymous with his name. Students, just listen about the structure of a Shakespearean sonnet. The Shakespearean sonnet is a 14 lines long as all traditional sonnets. These 40 lines are usually seen together in one stanza of text, but throughout time, poets have chosen to break the structure up to into stanzas. These are generally created with the basic form of the sonnet in mind, even if the poem is contained within one stanza of text. For the purpose of analysis or simply in order to come to a better understanding of what the poet is saying. It can be separated into three quatrains or sets of four lines. Means three quatrains means there are three quatrains in William Shakespeare's sonnet, and each quatrains has four lines, or each quatrains contain four lines, and these make up the bulk of the poem. They are then followed by a concluding couplet or set of two rhyming lines. Means the last two lines are included into the Shakespearean sonnet as the concluding lines in the form of heroic couplet. You can say last two lines of the Shakespearean sonnet is called the heroic couplet. So this is the structure of Shakespearean sonnet, that first 12 lines are made of three quatrains, and each quatrain has four lines, and last two lines are made in the form of heroic couplet and in a specific rhyme scheme. Now, students, this is the structure, and it is important to know even the rhyme scheme and meter of Shakespearean sonnet. So just listen. The poem of William Shakespeare follow a consistent rhyme scheme that conforms to the pattern of A B A B C D C D E F E F and G G. Listen once more. A B means first quatrain. C D means second quatrain. E F means third quatrain, and G G, the last two lines, the heroic couplet. The difference between the three quatrains and the couplet is very clear. Now, as is the case in Petrarchan sonnets, this sonnet form uses iambic pentameter. This means that each line contains five sets of two beats. The first is unstressed and second is stressed. Means iambic is made of two beats. First beat is unstressed and second beat is stressed. And it sounds something like dedum or dedum. Like all aspect of sonnet, poets have taken liberties with the meter and rhyme scheme. Even Shakespeare was not ever changing things every once in a while, although it was rare. Now, the rhyme scheme of A B is immediately evident. signaling to the reader that this poem is going to follow a specific pattern that is proven by the next lines that rhyme CD, CD, EF, EF, and GG. The same rhyme scheme as an Elizabethan sonnet, although not all of Sidney's poems made use of this pattern. Sonnet 1 is a good example of his utilizing this form. The poem also makes use of themes that were common to the Shakespearean sonnet: love, creation, and dedication. So, this was the pattern of William Shakespeare's sonnet. The next thing would be the next day. Have a nice day.